Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever accidentally deleted important files, like precious photos, videos, important documents, or even entire folders? It happens to the best of us, and it can be incredibly stressful. But don't panic, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful tool called 4D Dig Data Recovery Software. A smart and reliable solution to help you recover lost or deleted files from your computer. External drives, USBs, SD cards, and even after a system crash or accidental formatting. And here's the best part. You can recover up to 2 gigabytes of data for free without spending a single penny. We'll go through everything step by step. Step 1. Download and install first. Click the download link in the description to get started. Once the software is installed, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface like this. In the center, you'll see a list of all available drives, including local disk C, other partitions like D or E, as well as common folders like Recycle Bin, Desktop, Select Folder, and Windows Backup. On the left-hand side, you'll find multiple recovery options: SD card, restore photos, videos, and other data from SD cards. Video recovery, specifically designed to recover deleted or corrupted video files. Cloud drive, retrieve files from connected cloud storage accounts. Crashed PC, create a bootable USB to recover data from systems that won't boot. File repair, fix corrupted images, videos, and document files. Toolbox, access additional tools for deep recovery and repair options. Step 2. Start the recovery test. Let's run a real recovery test. I opened a folder on my PC that contains various file types: images, videos, audio files, Word documents, and PDFs. Then, I selected all of them and permanently deleted them. So these files are now completely gone from the system. Now, let's see if 4D Dig can bring them back. Step 3. Scanning for lost files. I clicked on the Select Folder option. This feature allows you to manually pick the specific folder where the data was deleted from. I navigated to the folder location on my D or E drive and selected it. You'll also see the option to choose which types of files to recover, like photos, videos, documents, and more. You can either select specific categories or choose all to recover everything. Then I hit the scan button. Within seconds, the software started scanning and quickly finished the process. Step 4. Preview and recover. Once the scan is done, the software displays a list of all the deleted files it found, including images, videos, documents, and more. The best part? You can preview the files before restoring them. This helps make sure you're recovering exactly what you need. After selecting the files I wanted to recover, I clicked on the Recover button. It then asked me to choose a safe location to save the recovered files, ideally on a different drive than where they were originally deleted from. And just like that, my files were successfully restored. As you can see, all the deleted data has been recovered. Photos, videos, documents, everything is back and working perfectly. With just a few simple steps, I was able to recover all my deleted files using 4D Dig Data Recovery Software. It's fast, easy to use, and super powerful. And remember, you can recover up to 2 gigabytes for free, which makes it a must-have tool for anyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.